Alright guys, welcome back. So today the LSA is getting put on the car. At least we're gonna mock it up, see what she looks like. I went ahead and put these gaskets on. They just get riveted on. I'll show you how to do that real quick. So all you gotta do is just get a rivet gun. Just match it all up, make sure it's all lined up, all the holes are good. Just like that. And then so yeah, so now I just clean up the heads a little bit, make sure they're good. Hopefully this thing can just slide on in there. It's probably gonna be a little difficult, but we're gonna put her on. And I guess probably put that on. I might put the lid on just for now, see what she looks like. Actually, I'll probably just put the lid on. And then just kind of like clean everything up and see what it's kind of like. Just mock it all up, see how it's all gonna go. And then maybe play with the crank pulley. Again, I gotta take my water pump off because I don't have an LSA water pump, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for that. I'm gonna have to just pay up and get one unless they can send me one out, but it is what it is. We'll get her, and then yeah, we'll go on for there. All right, so I actually had to end up knocking this dowel out. It's not too bad, but as long as the green's not all chopped up, and it still sits pretty flush, so we should be good. Yo, this looks insane. So I had to disconnect this this bracket here. I don't really know how the coolant line's supposed to go back in there, but I'm guessing you just kind of probably bend it down there or put some pressure. I'm gonna contact my one friend. But yeah, boys, I mean, I think she's like solid. I think I do some small adjustment for the screws, but this is wild. I don't even like, honestly don't even know what to say. This is not my car. This can't be my car. God, screw the lid. This looks better without the lid. This is like LT4 almost. I don't know. This is wild, dude. Sheesh. I got all my intake bolts in. I actually dropped the bolt down in there. That was pretty sketch, but make sure you use all your washers. That one back there, I'm actually not even going to use washer because that is some sketchy stuff back there. If I drop the washer in there, I'll be screwed. So I think I'll be alright. So I don't have the right torque wrench. I don't have an inch one. We only got pounds. This is the torque sequence, so we're just gonna get it tight as we can. This is probably not the right way to do it, but please don't judge us.
You know how many times I put an intake on?
Yeah, but not like this.
It don't matter.
This has a lot of air. She might take off. She might go through the hood. It might go boom. You ever seen that? Alright.
It was two.
You're supposed to do this one. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me see. You gotta back out. Watch out.
There ain't one there, dude. What you got?
Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So it goes. Wait, this thing there's 5. I'm missing a bolt. You gave me one.
Huh?
I think I was missing one in the package to begin with.
Do you use one of the old ones?
Probably use one of those. Oh, here it is. Set it up there, man.
Wasn't me. I didn't set it up there.
Sweet. She ain't coming off. Backwood. That's the backwood stuff right there. You don't need no torque wrench.
That's all you can do, man. Without ringing them off, I don't.
Yeah, but she ain't moving.
You ain't gonna.
Alright, so now we're gonna try to knock this fuel rail out. Now I'm doing these clips off and just kind of course now I go on camera. I can't get them. They just pop right out. Caps off. Using a little WD-40. Spray WD-40 on there. Lube it up. Put a little bit inside the little hole. Go on in. just like that. Because the injectors, well, you'll see, this gets flipped over, and the red side goes down into the red side goes down into that one side. Oh, they just pop right in. So they just popped. They just popped right in. Like you just put a little pressure on them, they fell right down. So they're in there pretty good.
WD-40 does.
Yep. Alright, can't forget your little orange gasket. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for fuel rails here, or for a bolt. I guess I have to go to the store and get some because they didn't come with my kit. Tell you what, I am finding a couple things here that is not fully included with the kit. It's kind of annoying, but it's crazy. I honestly am like lost for words. Completely like, this is wow. This is definitely worth it. Just to look at it, that's, God, man, it looks sick. She's not all the way tightened down. I gotta probably take this off to get to the back ones. I don't know how I'm gonna get to the back ones, but yeah, man. Maybe a little ratchet wrench, a little 10mm ratchet wrench, or maybe I'll get back there. But dude, this is sick. This just looks so beefy. Sheesh. Yo, I'm so hype. So hype. God, dude, she's gonna rip, man. I can't wait. Okay. You don't know how many times I've like left the car, like went inside, just sat down, like, dude, this is insane. Like, it's not that it's so hard, it's just so like, it's mentally, it's all mind. It's not like, I mean, physically it's a little hard because you're in some tight spots, but like, it's all like, how does this work, or where should this go, or how does that go? So next video is us doing the pulleys, the heat exchanger, which you see, I got that hooked up. So we got all that stuff getting hooked up on the next video, pinning the crank. It's gonna be an interesting video. And we have gotten a lot done since then, but I'm pretty excited, boys. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, follow me on IG at 1bad8, and I'll catch you on the next one.